If you use NotebookLM, you already know how powerful it is. But today, I'm going to show you some Chrome extensions that make it even better. These tools will save you tons of time. Let's get started. The first tool on the list is Kortext. Kortext is a tool that helps you save web pages to NotebookLM, sync documents, remove duplicates, and export your content easily. This tool helps you quickly send web pages, links, and documents directly into NotebookLM. To install it, go to the home page and click Try for free. Then click Add to Chrome. Next, click Add Extension. Now, let's test it on this article. Go to the top right corner of your browser and pin the extension. Click on the Kortext icon. You will see a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select the notebook you want to add the content to. Then click Import to Notebook. And that's it. The page has now been imported into your NotebookLM notebook. This is just the basic feature. Wait until you see the powerful tools inside NotebookLM. Here is another powerful trick. Click on the camera icon, and it will capture all the pages and download them as a PDF file. You can then import that PDF as a source into your notebook. One click and your entire page becomes a ready-to-use research file. Now, let's open NotebookLM. Kortext adds a download icon to the source panel. Click it to download any of your sources. You can choose different file formats here. Just select the format you want and click Download Selected. This makes backing up your research extremely easy. This next icon allows you to sync your Google Docs sources. If you edit a Google Doc that is already added as a source, simply click this sync button. It will automatically update the source in NotebookLM. No more deleting and re-uploading files. It updates instantly. The delete icon here is very powerful. Just click and select the sources. You can delete everything at once or choose specific sources to remove. It also helps you find duplicate sources. To remove duplicates, select All, choose Duplicate Sources, then delete the duplicate sources. After that, your notebook will be clean and organized. This keeps your notebook neat and professional. In the chat panel, you will see Export and Copy buttons. This will help you export your chat in different formats. You can select the chat you want to export or copy. Here, you can save frequently used prompts. If you have study prompts you use often, save them here for quick access. This turns NotebookLM into a full productivity system. In the Studio panel, you also have an Export button. With one click, you can export reports, infographics, audio overviews, video overviews, and more. Just select what you want and click Export. Now, this is where NotebookLM becomes more than just Notebook. If you go back, you will see Manage Notebooks. Here you can organize notebooks, manage artifacts, merge notebooks, and more. It gives you full control over your workspace. Now, let's talk about one of the most useful features for researchers. One of my favorite features is bulk import. Here you can paste multiple links, import browser tabs automatically. It will show all open tabs in your browser and let you import them instantly. There is a lot more you can do on this page. If you want a detailed video explaining this tool step by step, leave a comment below. And trust me, once you start using these tools together, your research workflow will completely change. The second one is NotebookLM Tools. NotebookLM Tools lets you import pages, links, playlists, RSS feeds, and tabs with filtering and language features. To install the extension, click Add to Chrome. It will ask for confirmation. Click Add Extension. After that, go to the top right corner of your browser and pin the extension so you can access it easily. Now it is installed and pinned. Since this is your first time using it, you need to connect it to your NotebookLM account. Click Open NotebookLM. This will take you directly to the NotebookLM website, where the extension can connect to your account. When you go back, you will see that it now shows Connected. Let's try it on a web page. Click Open Sidebar. It will show the same interface, but on the side of the page. This allows you to read the article while using the extension at the same time. Now let's go back, and this is just the beginning. Wait until you see what it can do with pages and links. Tabs allow you to import all open browser tabs at once. RSS automatically adds new content to your notebook. Playlist allows you to import YouTube playlists directly. Now let's do a demo with pages and links. This is where the real research power starts. The Page option lets you import the current web page into your notebook. Click Add to Existing Notebook. Select your notebook, then click Add to Notebook. The page will automatically be saved as a source. With one click, your research is saved forever. Link option. The link option scans an article and extracts all the links inside it. Click Extract Links from Page. For example, this page has 49 links. At the top, you will see 2 fields, Include. This keeps only links that match your keyword. For example, if you type /tech, it will show only technology-related links. Exclude. This removes links that contain a specific keyword. For example, if you type /article, it will remove all links related to articles. Now you may have 39 remaining and 10 excluded. After selecting your filters, click Add to Existing Notebook. Select your project and click Add Links. All selected links will now appear as sources in your notebook. If you check your notebook, you will see all imported links there. You will also see tags, which help you organize notebooks by topic instead of title. Now imagine organizing hundreds of links in seconds. Another powerful feature is the language switcher. Click Settings. Under Language Settings, you will see Interface Language, Output Language. This changes the language of the extension itself. Search for a language like EN for English, ES for Spanish, or any language you want. Output language. This controls the language of the generated answers. You can set it to English, Spanish, Japanese. Now, when you go to your notebook page, if you click ES, the interface changes to Spanish. If you click N, it goes back to English. For output, if you click JA, the output changes to Japanese. This is very powerful for multilingual research. If you want a detailed video about this feature, comment below. But wait, there is another tool that changes everything for YouTube users. The third one is YouTube to NotebookLM. YouTube to NotebookLM lets you quickly import a full YouTube channel, single videos, or search results into NotebookLM for easier research and studying. Install the extension by clicking Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Pin it to the top right. Now go to YouTube. You will see the NotebookLM icon. If you are on a YouTube channel, you can select a notebook or create a new one. All videos from that channel will be added as sources. This is how some people clone an entire channels. If you are watching a single video, you can also add that video directly to your notebook. Now let's move to a tool that helps with web articles in a different way. The fourth one is NotebookLM Web Importer. NotebookLM Web Importer is a simple tool for manually adding web pages and links into your notebook. Install it by clicking Add to Chrome, then pin it. On an article page, click the pinned icon. You can create a new notebook or add to an existing notebook. You can also paste bulk links manually. Most of the advanced options that require an upgrade here are free in NotebookLM Tools. And now, this next tool helps you export everything. Finally, the last one, NotebookLM Ultra Exporter. NotebookLM Ultra Exporter lets you export everything from your notebook, including chats, studio content, and sources in one place. Install it, add to Chrome, and pin it. This tool allows you to export almost everything from your notebook. You can export from Chat Panel, Studio Panel, Source Panel. You can download your sources for backup or reference. If you care about saving your work, this tool is very important.
And that's it! 5 powerful extensions that make NotebookLM way more useful.